Before there was time, before there was space, there was only endless emptiness. About 13.8 billion years ago, a cosmic explosion shook everything. The Big Bang, the birth of the universe, from an invisible point, yet full of energy. In the very first seconds, light and matter danced in perfect chaos. Galaxies began to form slowly, spreading stars across the darkness. Cosmic dust swirled through space, waiting to become something greater. Around 4.6 billion years ago, our sun was born from a cloud of gas and dust. Its energy and heat shattered the void, creating the first light in our solar system. The remaining dust slowly clumped together, forming the first planet we now call Earth. Imagine the blazing heat, the dancing lava. The world was still wild and lifeless. Around 4 billion years ago, meteor showers drenched the young Earth. Oceans formed from falling rain and melting ice. Every drop of rain laid the foundation for a life that would one day emerge. The young Earth trembled and roared, yet hidden potential for life already existed. Ancient oceans held secrets. Molecules began to meet and interact. Around 3.8 billion years ago, simple chemical reactions sparked the first signs of life. Life emerged silently, without a sound, but with limitless potential. Single-celled organisms swam in primordial oceans. The pioneers of life. Time moved slowly, and evolution began to write its story. Around 3.5 billion years ago, the first bacteria ruled the ancient seas. These tiny bacteria seemed simple, but they paved the way for everything to come. Around 2.5 billion years ago, photosynthesis emerged, transforming Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen spread, making air a new playground for life. Around 1.5 billion years ago, eukaryotic cells appeared, more complex and powerful. Life became more diverse, smarter, and surviving the challenges. Around 1 billion years ago, multicellular organisms emerged, bringing new complexity. The world changed from simple to astonishing, from micro to macro. Around 600 million years ago, the first animals appeared in the oceans. Their bodies were simple, but they were pioneers of life on land. Every second of time bore witness to the marvel of evolution. Around 500 million years ago, oceans teemed with diverse life forms. The first fish swam boldly, carrying stories of courage. Around 450 million years ago, plants stepped onto land for the first time. Green forests began to form, giving breath to a world thirsty for oxygen. Around 400 million years ago, insects flew across the skies of ancient Earth. Step by step, life began to conquer the land. Around 360 million years ago, the first amphibians appeared, bridging water and soil. Earth became a stage for evolution, every creature writing its own story. Around 300 million years ago, ancient forests covered the Earth. The first dinosaurs prepared to dominate the world. Around 250 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth with incredible power. The thunder of their steps marked the unstoppable force of nature. Around 200 million years ago, new groups of dinosaurs emerged, larger and more fierce. They lived and died, but Earth kept changing, never standing still. Around 65 million years ago, an asteroid struck the Earth. This small apocalypse wiped out the old rulers, clearing the path for new life. Mammals appeared, slow but resilient, taking over the land. Life always finds a way, even when Earth shakes and transforms. Around 2 million years ago, the first ancient humans appeared in Africa. They walked upright, carrying new consciousness, tools, and fire. Around 200,000 years ago, Homo sapiens were born, with minds capable of dreaming. Fire became humanity's first companion, lighting the night and the heart. Around 100,000 years ago, humans began to explore, conquering the world. They learned to farm, built communities, and write history. Every step, every discovery has slowly changed the world. Around 10,000 years ago, civilizations began to rise in fertile river valleys. The first cities were built, a symbol of life together. Time kept moving. Human history became part of Earth's story. From meteor showers to modern technology, the long journey has been recorded. And now, we gaze at the stars, realizing we are only a tiny part of the universe. From the first void to the world we know today, every second of history tells a story of time, power, and life. Every star in the sky carries the footprints of the past. Every stone on Earth holds secrets billions of years old. We live on an extraordinary planet, the result of a long and wondrous journey, and every one of us is part of this grand story. When you look at the night sky, remember, the universe's history is more epic than you can imagine. From darkness to light, from dust to life, everything is connected. All the time that ever existed contributed to the moment we live now. Earth is not just a home. It is a witness to the cosmic journey. Every living being, part of a story without end. And we are temporary guardians of this history. The early history of the world is not just about the past, but about who we are today. This journey shows that time is a teacher that never tires. Every moment is precious because it is born from billions of years of change. The universe keeps evolving, and we are still writing our own chapter. So look up at the night sky and let your imagination travel with this epic history.